Bubba.
Aw.
Oh no.
That was funny.
Accident. Wow, perfect.
Houston, we have a problem.
There you go. Oh. Water. Oh, what up your arm? Because you lifted your arm again. We're making one big mess. Go ahead.
I'm going to take this video and transfer under a disk for you to keep for yourself.
Okay. That'll be sweet.
Yeah. So if you ever miss them, you can watch the video.
That'd be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Here. You want to sit down? You got water on your face.
Look at him.
Fan. And go up your arm. Here. Try your arms. Try. There you go. Oh. You got water on your face now. He's done with the water. Good, 'cause it looks
Crawling away.
disgusting. Oh, man. I think everything that was on his hands is in here. So gross. There you go. A shadow.